Hello and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'll be showing you a few companies that have built products, solutions, websites, and tools using the Postgres database. I will start with the biopharm sector. So in the biopharm sector, we've got these few companies listed as using the Postgres database. So we've got companies like American Chemical Society, BASF, Agricultural Product Division, and we've got the Greenet Tech Inc. So these are just a few companies listed as using the Postgres database in the biopharm sector. Next, let's have a look at the e-commerce sector and see who's using the Postgres database. So we've got companies like CD Baby, Champion Products, Etsy.com. We've got Flight Aware, Flight Stats, Red Sheriff, Whitepages.com. So these are companies listed as using the Postgres database. Next, we'll look at the education sector. In the education sector, we've got these institutions listed as using the Postgres database. All these information here have been obtained from the postgres.org website. So if you go to that website, look for featured users, you see all these listed there. Next, let's look at the finance and the gaming sector and see who is using the Postgres database. So in the finance, we've got three companies listed here. Among them is the Trust Commerce. In the gaming, we've got Moby Games listed as using the Postgres database. Next, we are going to have a look at who's using the Postgres database in the government sector. So in government, we've got all these listed as using the Postgres database. Among them are the City of Garden Grove, that's in California. We've got the National Weather Service. We've got United Nations Children's Fund. We've got the U.S. Agency for International Development, U.S. Department of Labor, U.S. General Services Administration, U.S. State Department. Some key government departments here using the Postgres database. Well, we're going to now move on to the healthcare sector, manufacturing, and see who's using the Postgres database. So in healthcare, we've got calorieking.com, and we've got things like Shannon Medical Center. Manufacturing, we've got exo2.net Corp using the Postgres database. And in the media sector, we've got a few listed here, among which are Macworld, Penny Arcade, the Washington Post, and the Greenpeace. Greenpeace is quite important here. I mean, it's well known, so to know that they use Postgres is interesting. Next, we'll move on to open source projects. There are some open source projects that actually use the Postgres database. So in the open source projects area, we've got things like Debian, FreshPorts, GForge, the LAMP. LAMP basically is a LAMP stack, which includes Linux, Apache, PHP, and a few others. And we've got the SourceForge as well, which is quite popular for various types of downloads. So they also use the Postgres database. So next, we'll look at the retail sector. We've got a few listed here in the retail sector, things like Safeway, Sutaya, the Rockport Company, among a few. They are listed as using the Postgres database. Let's move on to technology. We've got Apple, Fujitsu, Omnity, Red Hat, Cyrus IT, Sun Microsystem, among others, using the Postgres database. Also some telecom companies as well. Among the telecom companies using the Postgres, we've got Cisco, Juniper Networks, NTT Data, Optus, Rambler Internet Holdings, Skype, and Telstra. So these are the telecoms companies listed on the Postgres website as using their product or using the Postgres database. So that's it for this lecture. In this lecture, we went through a list from various sectors of various types of companies that actually have created products around the Postgres database. If you want to find out more, just head over to postgres.org and /featured users. That will give you a list of who's using the Postgres database. Most of what I've shown you here in this lecture was actually obtained from the Postgres website. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.